fills all my days with a silent devotion. Tell me why it feels so hard. This distance remains in every quiet moment, like a fading light tonight. I wish I could relive every second and stand right there beside you, so close, and show you all the love I never found the way to give before you walked away. I reach for your touch through empty air, but nothing can bring you back to me. I try to be strong, I drift in my dreams. I feel all the sadness breaking deep in my chest. These heartbeats keep leading me back to the love I had with you. The space